Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dinah. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for stopping by. I miss you guys so much. So today we're going to be doing a lace closure install. I have a 7x7 lace closure and 3 bundles. So this is my hair company. This is not a company that send me hair. I've been trying to research some really good quality hair, and I've been working with this vendor for a year and a half, and the hair is very luscious and just full and just voluminous, and I really like this hair. So yeah, let's get started with this tutorial. So I made the wig off camera, and as well I used my powder to conceal the lace, and I'm just gonna put the wig on, as you guys can see, and I'm going to make sure that the wig is in the middle. I'm now going to cut the lace off the unit of the wig, and I'm just going to be using my shears going in a zigzag motion. So with this install, it's not going to be any glue. So I'm going to be using my Chi holding spray to just hold down the lace. This type of install is only for just 1 day use, It's not like a whole week of keeping the wig on. So you can just use this type of method for just 1 day, and then it's for someone that is basically like a working person. You just come home, take up your wig, wash your face, do your skin routine and all of that stuff. So it's not for like a week for you to put your wig on. It's not gonna last for a week basically. So what I'm doing is I'm using my Demon brush to comb out the curls. You guys can see the curls are so pretty. It's so pretty. Um, I like to use a Demon brush because it makes the curls look very like uniform and just like really nice. So I'm just gonna play with it, make sure it's to my liking. I'm gonna cut the little lace off the the ends of the wig because it was just bothering me a little bit. So yeah. So next up, I'm going to be using the Kendra's Boutique hot comb. This hot comb is amazing. Number one, it goes up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It gets so hot, you guys. And it made my closure look super flat. I mean, like flat, like Nicki Minaj flat middle part. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna be playing with the curls and just making sure like it's like to my liking, like I said. I really love the way how the curls are like super like nice, and they stayed long. They stayed like a whole day. Actually, I just wanted to let you guys know that it did stay a whole day. When I was curling this wig, I used the Chi, the whatchamacallit, holding spray, the one that I used for the lace. I used also to curl the hair. Yes, so I'm just gonna be, on Snapchat and Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Anyways, so I'm gonna go back in and, you know, press out the closure. Like I just wanted it to be super flat, you guys. So I went ahead and did my baby hairs off camera, and as you guys can see, it looks decent. I'm not like a huge baby hair fan. Yeah. So what I did, as you guys can see, I used the Chi, the oil, the Silk Infusion oil, to just smooth out my hair and making sure that that lace is blended in. I'm gonna be going back in again and just fixing my baby hair. So basically, this whole part of the video will be just perfecting the curls, fixing my baby hairs, making sure that the widow's peak looks beautiful. And yeah. Okay, you guys, I know that you guys see the little baby in the background. I just gave birth. My son is about a month and 20 days old. So he's about to be 2 months very soon. His name is Elijah, and he's my baby. I love him so much. And he was hungry at the time, and he wanted me to feed him. So, yeah. So it's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next tutorial, and I'm definitely going to be back posting soon and posting different contents. Yeah. So, bye guys. I love you guys. Stay blessed.